Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have 9 to the x plus 9 to the x plus 9 to the x is equal to 999, and we have to figure out the value of the x. So as we can see, we can factor 9 to the x on the left side, and what we get is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 999. So we have 9 to the x times 3 is equal to 999. We're going to divide both sides by 3. So what we get is 9 to the x is equal to 333. And we have x in the exponent, so we're going to do the logarithm on each side of the equation. So we'll have the log of 9 to the x is equal to the log of 333, and what we get in here is x times log of 9 is equal to log of 333, and here we know our 3 is 3 squared, and we know when we have the log of a to the power of b, this will be equal to, so basically the exponent can go on the back of the log. So what we get in here is that 2 can go in the back, so we'll end up with 2x log of 3 is equal to log of 333, and we're going to divide each side by log of 3, and what we get on the left side is 2x is equal to log of 333 divided by log of 3. And from the laws of the logarithm, we know when we have log of a plus log of b, this will be equal to log of ab. So basically, if we can make something that has log of 3 in here, which we know 333 is 3 times 111, we can write it down in this form, and we can make this equation a bit simpler. So we have 2x, and as I said, we'll have the log of 3 plus log of 111 divided by log of 3, and here we can cancel out the log of 3, so 2x is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 3 plus log of 111 divided by log of 3. From the laws of the log, we know when we have the log of a divided by log of b, this will be equal to the log base b of a. So here our 2x will be 1 plus log 111, and we know still 111 can be written as 3 times something. So if we do 111 divided by 3, we get 3 times 3, 9, 21, 7, and we can write the 111 3 times 37. So now we can use the law that we used in the previous step. So this time, instead of log of 3 times 37, we're going to do the log of 3 plus log of 37 divided by log of 3, and we have the same thing. 2x is equal to 1 plus log of 3 divided by log of 3 plus log of 37 divided by log of 3. So if we look at 37, we see that 3 plus 7 is 10. So it cannot be written as 3 times something, so that's not going to work. That means this is the end of this. So basically our 2x will be 1 plus, this will be 1, 2 plus log of 37 over log of 3. We're going to use what we covered in here. So basically will be log base 3 of 37, and this will be 2. Our x will be 2 divided by 2 plus log base 3 of 37 divided by 2, or our x will be 1 plus log base 3 of 37 divided by 2, and this would be the final answer for this question. Again, very good question to go over some laws of the logarithm, and a good review for some of the most important laws of the logarithm. Hope you guys find it helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you have any other ways to solve this question. I'd be happy to discuss it in the comment section. You guys take care and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.